Meaning of in absentia.
In absentia.
In absentia.
In absentia.
In absentia. In absentia is a Latin term that means in the absence. It is used in legal contexts to describe a situation where someone is not present at a trial or hearing, but is tried and sentenced anyway. This usually happens when the defendant has fled or cannot be located. The trial proceeds without them, and if they are found guilty, they are sentenced to punishment without being physically present. The term is also used in other contexts, such as award ceremonies, where someone may receive an award in absentia if they are unable to attend.